Here's my top 10 Linux commands, tips and tricks. If I want to find out how much disk space I've got left, I use df-h. Tells me all my mounted drives, how much space I've got left. Rather handy. If I want to look a bit deeper, then I can use the du command, so du-h, and then the directory that I want to look in, so we'll go for downloads, and then also put an asterisk on the end, and it'll show you everything I've got in there. Right, have you ever tried running the command and then found out it's supposed to be in root? Ugh. All you need to do is sudo ! and it reruns the command for you. Rather handy, don't you think? You ever thought your system's frozen while it's installing something, or you're just not quite sure what it's doing while any code's going on? Install the package btop, and you can actually watch your I/O move on the side to see if something's still running crashed if you need to restart it. Rather handy tip, especially for you Gentoo users out there. Your SSH to local network stuff? Well, there's a quick trick for you. As you can see, I've got a 192.168.0.26 address. But did you know I can remove a 0? And it still works. Raise you a couple of key presses. Looking for some files, but you can't remember where the hidden files are. ls/a shows you all the files, whereas ls just shows you the files with dots in front of them. Just as a midway break here, the community and I are currently running a fun competition to see if we can reach 2,000 subscribers before the Atom 270 computer compiling the entire Gentoo system. It's got a way to go, but it's not going to be fast. Let's see who's going to win. I want to find a file with a certain bit of text in it. I'll grep your friend here. Let's say I want to find how many files have got an issue in them. Let's type in grep r for recursive, n for line number, w for match whole word, and then the path, which will be var db gentoo, then e, which is the pattern to use, and I'll type in Immoloism. And as you can see, it's going to search through that whole entire directory all the way down and find every occurrence of that word. Rather handy if you need to look through a load of files. And finally, trying to find some files on your computer. Find, then title for the home key, hyphen name, and then quotation, star, mkv, close the quotes. Now go through, look for all the movies on your computer. But there you go. That's a handful of few of the commands that I use every day in Linux. Why don't you put down some of your favourites in the comments below? So it's clear I have a Gentoo addiction. Why not help enable me to get new hardware, or just cope with the stresses with vodka like these wonderful people you see before you? Prices only start at $1, and every little bit helps me. Thank you. Some upcoming ideas I have are shown on the screen now, but obviously it's up to you.